the sun.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be this look right here. I have tried to do my take on like the fox eye, cat eye kind of makeup. Honestly, I don't really do this style of makeup often, so it was pretty hard for me like to kind of find the shape and stuff. I normally do like just normal cut creases or kind of rounded eye looks. I don't really do like winged out smoky cat eye looks, so this is pretty new for me and I don't actually know if I've done it the way that it's supposed to be done, but this is my take on it. I might retry it because I feel like this one's a bit dramatic and a bit dark, whereas I've seen quite a lot of ones that are like really kind of just subtle but smooth but really elegant. This is the final look and this is how it has turned out. I hope you guys like it. If you do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe as well. Also guys, I do have a giveaway running on my channel at the moment, so I will link it up here for you guys to go and check that out as well. This is the look we're going to be creating today, so let's just get into this. The first thing I'm going in with is my Pale Louise base. This is in the shade 0.5. It is a bit light, but honestly it does the job. If you don't own the Pale Louise base, you can just go in with concealer that does the exact same job, guys. So all I'm doing is I'm putting down these bases so that my eyeshadow has something to like adhere to. Also, I feel that the Pale Louise base makes my eyeshadows a lot more brighter. Some concealers can do it as well, but concealers tend to sort of crease a little bit more, so just be aware of that. Now the first shade I'm with is the shade Monday from the Mitchell Beauty Bay palette, and I'm basically just doing this little sort of a winged out and messy sort of style shape. This is going to be the kind of shape that I'm just going along with when I'm doing this look. Then I'm just going in with the shade May. Now this shade is like a caramelly sort of brown shade and it was a little bit on the yellow side for me, so I do end up actually going in with my bronzer and sort of darkening that up. But all I'm doing is I'm basically just finding like my crease and I'm basically just blending it in like I would normally do like a normal cut crease, but we are just going to wing this out mega time and make it look as sultry and foxy as we possibly can. So as you can see, I'm just going back and forth. I'm just basically winging this dark shade right out. I'm just basically going in with the Pale Louise base again, and I'm just basically doing a normal cut crease. This is just going to be like the lighter transition into like the darker outer corner, and that's what's going to give it like that smoky eye sort of effect. So again, I'm just going back with my bronzer shade and I'm basically just deepening up that kind of crease colour. This is what's going to give it the whole sort of cat eye sort of effect. And with the lighter shade, I did actually go in with the shade Modest in the Mitchell palette, but it was a little bit too on the yellow side, so again I went back in with my deep bronzer shade that I showed you at the beginning and I just deepened it up with that because this shade looked a little bit too yellow for me and it was making it look more like a cut crease. And again, we're just basically constantly winging this out with like the darker brown shade Monday. Now I'm just applying my own lash in the shade Inspire. These are by far my favourite, and I just love how they go from like nice to like really voluminous at the end. So yeah, these will be available to purchase pretty soon. I'm just going in with the shade Mafia, and I'm just darkening up like that band line just to give it that sort of smoky effect. And again, I'm doing the same with the lower lash. I'm just going in with the shade Monday and Mafia, which is the black shade, and I'm basically just darkening that up to give it a sort of smoky effect. Next, I'm just going to be applying some black eyeliner. I think this one's the Urban Decay 24/7 one, but it's absolutely amazing. But yeah, I just add some eyeliner, and that is basically just this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.